Black World. So, but there, me and Miss Sinus did have a little thing this morning. You know, the usual. And so we decided to go come up with a little idea. Yo, God forgive me. I go prank Miss Sinus and tell her, say, yo, I can't do this no more. You see it? It's over with since you run off your mouth and things, but you just go on back of the yard. And so, you know what I mean? So, try a thing. And so, I go really see if she rate, man. I love, man. You see it? Yeah, man. You see it? So, prank her and thing. So, yeah. When I like do this still, no, because she already vex and thing, but, yeah, me go see. Me there in my top alone and think I'm washing it here. I'm kind of damage it still, but yeah. But anyway, I'm going to run the prank. Hopefully she not see the camera and thing, you know. So, yeah. Alright, here we go. Fight! Well, let's think about everything a while ago. And think, babe, man. No, I life miserably, man, so I just make it less. It don't make no sense. Yeah, it don't make no sense to bother do this. Don't come here, watch what you know what I mean? Next time when I say you just come in here, you upset me more and more. I mean, I try to go at something with a good vibe. Yeah, but it don't make no sense. But you just go on then. Because you just call it quit and done, because you don't make up your mind already and attack some things already. Well, you know what I mean? Jermaine, you know what I mean? As somebody knows, so you're not thinking, you know. And then when we say you don't have no brain, you take it offensive. Because obviously that's how we are behaving. And you're coming here about us, so let's call it quits because of that. It don't make no sense. You want make sense now? It don't make no sense. You want make sense? Yeah, it don't make no sense. You sound fool. Bruh. It don't make no sense, man. What the heck? You just call it quit and done, man. Live your best life, me just live man. So this not make no sense. Jermaine, whatever. I can't deal with you right now. I swear to God. So, I must know when you're left and all them things. And but yes, it don't make no sense. I waste of time things. Bruh. Okay, so I waste of time things. Yeah, alright, Jermaine. You know what I mean? Waste of time things. So, a joke, a picnic thing this. You know what I mean? Live your best life. You know what I mean? You can go finally do what you want to do and just rave out, have fun. You know what I mean? Yeah. So me didn't tell you someone to rave out and have fun? No, just live your best life. But did I tell you I wanted to rave out and have fun? I never said that. I mean, I give you advice, just live your best life. You know what I mean? Young, beautiful and strong, you know what I mean? Do road for do. You better you stop that foolishness. You know what I mean? Just do road, my friend, I mean road for do. Just stop that foolishness on my head. Just chop road, my friend. Stop me, I tell you. Mash works. Look at this dude. Road for do. I mean, cause me young do road. Billions and trillions. You know what I mean? No moral lines, just go all out. You know what I mean? Do what you want to do, sleep, you do what you want to sleep. You stop chat foolishness here. Just do road, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, listen to yourself. That's respect for the cooking and all them things and the, you know what I mean? Just be a thing, man. Just do road. Do road. Oh my God! Wow! You're all. Do road, you see you. Okay. You lay me, man. You know hurt it. Funky boy! I must joke this, you know. I joke, a real life thing, you know. You must joke this. You see I open, a real life thing, you know. You know the badness there already, you know. Just talk and we just move, you know. Must joke this, Dorothy. Talk and we just move, you know. Our bad people. You know that. See? Which part of your bad people? Look what you're going. You're going fool. Fool. Like you not a sense. I'm not going at man. What are you that for? You say I'm cut, man. You're tormented? Something wrong with you? Now you say you want to cut killer. I'm cut them with the make you go on. Bruh. It's wide open. Go on, man. I'm not going to go back, Barry. Do road. I'm going to do road too. Work for mush. You mean? Stay there, can't stay there.
Can't stand there.
Do what you say.
I don't know if I find this funny, you know.
Do
Don't know
what?
why I find this funny for that guy.
Do what, killer, I'm telling me lame.
Jermaine, just don't say nothing to
Know what I
me.
mean?
Don't say nothing to me.
Know what I mean?
But do road foolishness. Don't say
Do
nothing
road,
to me,
man,
man.
yeah.
Backside.
All the marriage thing are foolishness, you know. It's no sense. Bible, more time.
Jermaine, when you just make your mouth.
Emotional damage.
Foolishness, you know. I mean, all the Bible thing, they may all question it more time, you know. That never make all no sense, you know. All that. You know what I mean? Do road, my friend. Do road, my friend. You know?
Wait till you see the. No.
Emotional damage.
Oh, the shops, man. Fair girl, go on.
Alright, that's it since.
Doing one girl go and get another chick quick. Don't raise no alarm, chirp.
Emotional damage.
You know what I mean? Babe, I joke. Big up prank.
Look at this dude.
Me nah laugh.
Wait till you see the.
Pop me, go pop my shit and go. Remember me tell you.
You can't left me, I hear that. You can't left me. I'm mad, you not mad. As I reach down here, you hang yourself. What you mean? As I reach down here, you hang yourself. You can't live without me. You can't live without me.
Move front on my feet.
You can't live without me.
Emotional damage.
Say
Eh?
funny.
Yeah, man, the best thing in your life since invention I come.
You don't know much anger in me while I go in about this marriage thing.
What you mean?
Of foolishness.
you
Don't
mean?
play with me them way, the man. Move from here, some man.
What you mean? If a girl one girl take another quick. Don't raise the alarm,
One
chirp.
take up here.
And
Look at me, I swear. Backside.
look at your heart does sleep right now. Your heart in your body. Your heart broke.
You chat too much.
Your heart broke more than the worst thing this in your life.
Lock
What you mean?
off that, because that don't make no
Eh?
sense.
That don't make no sense, you know. I got a dub. You some must do a prank for you.
Me don't mean this a prank.
Yo, Miss right now hang Miss PSYNOS in hang himself. As in go home, he put the rope round his neck and sing grenade. I catch a grenade for you. Yeah. It's a day for you. Yo, all you see her look tough up there, say no man. Mama, yo, me say her heart sink through the clutch, you know. She can't even believe me just say all that a while ago. Babe, don't cut it. Make it stay and bounce like that.
What you care? What you care?
What me care? Come on, girl. Right now, if breeze blow up on me, I'll a woman pass me too hard. I'm mad, you're mad. I hang yourself.
What me hang myself for?
What you mean?
Me idiot?
Yeah. For me,
then me hang myself.
one yam for me. You're the biggest yam for me. The one bolo yam. The big one them in the ground.
One kid yourself.
Yeah, me not kill myself. That's a fact. Go look for me. I'm in the dictionary.
One kid yourself.
Handsome. My name is Handsome. My name is Handsome. It's in the dictionary. Babe, you need to let me go get the comb and them stuff there. Yeah, man, you hard leave. That don't make no sense.
You can't take your camera out of my face?
No, because you're beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, when me say that marriage thing and I'm innocent, hey, babe heart must sing about 17 times. She come out and go so. What you say? Someone know you love me. Oh baby, I love the way you are. Let me go get the thing there, babe. The fan, cause
No, me no want nothing from you.
it's hot. Stop behaving like that.
Alright,
Chill.
I'll come out of the bathroom now.
Oh baby, I love the way every day. Yeah, a beautiful wife can't live without me. Remember me tell you that. Yes, sirree.
Love take over the city, no more of the iniquity. Girl, them a come out and you're the one of them look cute and pretty. Me and me virgin.